Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Eva Anthony, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be telling you and also showing you the difference between a bronzer and a contour. Now, I know that in a lot of situations, most of us, even makeup artists, we kind of get this products mixed up. Sometimes we use a contour for a bronzer, and then we use a bronzer as a contour, and thereby mixing up this product. So today I'm here to tell you and also show you the differences between a contour and a bronzer. If you're here for that and you want to know what these differences are, I'll definitely want to see you after this break. I use the opportunity to do my foundation and my brows off camera, just so it would reduce and cut out a lot of time. I have a link for my brow tutorial up. I'm going to link it up here somewhere so you can go check it out. Before we go further into this video, I'm going to be telling you the differences between a bronzer and a contour. Now, the first thing that you should look out for is the way they look. A bronzer would have shimmery finish, while a contour has this matte finish to it. Another distinct difference is that a bronzer would only add warmth to your face, while a contour would define your face, right? So these are some of the distinct differences between these two products. A bronzer should not be used as a contour product, and a contour product should not be used as a bronzer. These two stuff are totally different in as much as they are very similar. So a bronzer can come in either creamy formula, liquid, gel, or powder formula, while a contour most of the time comes in a powder formula and sometimes in creamy formula. So these are also some of the differences between these products that I want you to know, because I mean, if you don't know the differences between these two products, how exactly are you supposed to use them correctly, right? Since we now know the differences between these products, let's get right into the application process. Any normal makeup process, we always know that highlighter comes before contour. Well, there's no hard or fast rule, like I always say. So you can either do your contour before your highlighter or your highlighter before your contour. Either ways, we always come down to the same end product, right? So but for me personally, I usually do my highlighter before my contour. I also have a video on highlighting and contouring on my channel, so you can just check it up here somewhere. Let's go and highlight our face before I actually go into contouring. I'm sure this is no longer a new thing again for most of us, because we already know where exactly we're supposed to highlight. Yeah, so for those of you that do not know, highlight your forehead, under your eyes, the bridge of your nose, your chin, and then you keep it both. Why? Because these are actually the places that natural lights, no matter any lights in general, would naturally hit. And even without makeup on, if you notice very well, you would know that lights usually hit these areas. So we're just enhancing what we already have. We are just enhancing what is already there. The next thing you want to do is just blend everything out. What is contouring? Basically, to contour is just to sculpt and to redefine some areas of our face. It is also to create an illusion of a slimmer face by adding more shadows where you already have those shadows. Where you're contouring is basically the temple of your forehead, to narrow it, like to make it a little bit smaller, and then the sides of our nose to give us this slimmer pointed nose effect. Underneath your cheekbones, your jawline, to define it more properly. The dip of your chin, that's basically the areas that you would want to contour. So for my contour, I usually use the Black Opal True Color foundation in the shade Black Walnut. With a contour, you need to be very specific. Like, you need to be specific as to where you apply them. So what I do is I just you know, make a straight line down this way, and you go this way here. You want to blend out, basically that's it. So just blend all these places that you already applied this contour product on. If you do not have any creamy product, you can as well go with any dark powder shade that you might have in your palette or around you. That is another trick that you could do for your contour. Okay, so for my nose, I usually go in with a smaller brush just to be able to get into those areas properly. If you're okay with using your beauty blender, you can as well do that. If you have a smaller beauty blender, go right ahead and use it. You want to make sure that you blend out until you cannot see any harsh lines on your face, because we don't do that here. Okay, we do not want harsh lines on our face, so you want to make sure that you blend everything, especially when you're using a creamy product. You want to blend properly. So I went ahead to fix my lashes off camera, and we're going to just finish this look. I'll show you how I apply my bronzer and what a bronzer usually does as opposed to a contour. So I'm just going to go right ahead and dust off all this. Next thing we'll be doing now is to apply the bronzer, and the bronzer I'll be using today is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum bronzer in Ebony. Like, this is the darkest shade. If there's anything you need to know about bronzers, you would notice that they kind of look orangey. For bronzers, what you need to know basically is that you just need to apply them in 3 different areas on your face. Now, where the places you need to apply these products are on your hairline, just around your forehead, under your cheekbones, and also on your jawline. You can also extend it down to your neck just for extra measures, but I don't do that on a normal day. So these are the 3 places that you need to apply this product on, which is basically the spots that the sun will naturally hit on your face. Like, what you want to do is just to like enhance the warmth that would naturally come with when the sun hits your face. I don't know if somebody is getting me. So let's just go right ahead now and apply this product. So I finished my whole look off camera, and yeah, we have come to the end of this video. But there's this trick I want you to know when it comes to contour and bronzer. A pro tip that I would give you is that the difference between this and that, the difference between bronzer and contour, is basically warmth over shadow or shadow over warmth, depending on which comes first. So that is what I'm going to say is the basic trick between these 2 products. Now, I hope with this video you would definitely know how to apply your bronzer and your contour perfectly, and you wouldn't in any way or any day mix these 2 products, seeing that they are both different things. Do not use one for the other, in as much as they're very similar, like I said earlier in this video. I hope that I would be seeing you in my next one. Please do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, drop a comment down below, suggest more videos you want me to put up on this channel. Like, I am open to a whole lot of suggestions. If you're new here, thank you for sticking to this point. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.